planning a move from Thunder Bay to the United States, cross-border moving takes a little more coordination, but the right plan can make the entire process feel much more manageable. Start by confirming your destination, moving date, and how much you're taking. The distance, shipment size, schedule, and level of service will all influence your final moving cost. Keep your passport, visa, or work permit, customs forms, and moving agreement organized. You'll also need a clear household inventory showing what is crossing the border with you. Before the boxes come out, decide what's truly worth moving. Selling or donating items you no longer need can reduce shipment weight, packing time, and overall transportation costs. Some foods, plants, alcohol, medications, and other controlled items may be restricted. Check the rules before packing so you don't discover a problem when your shipment reaches the border. Depending on your budget and schedule, you might choose full-service moving, a portable storage unit, or a consolidated shipment. Faster or expedited delivery usually comes at a higher price. Ask how your belongings will be protected and request a written estimate. It should clearly explain packing, loading, transportation, border coordination, storage, and any possible additional fees. Ready to plan your Thunder Bay to USA move? Visit 3movers.com to compare cross-border moving options and start your free moving estimate today.